Converting your traditional chlorine pool to a saltwater pool is a very simple and straightforward task. Two things are required to do this. This includes the installation of a new piece of equipment called a salt chlorine generator and the adding salt to the water after installation. Think of a salt chlorine generator as a mini chlorine factory you add to the pool system that automatically makes the chlorine for you every day. This is much more efficient than buying and adding chlorine on a regular basis. The first step involves choosing the right saltwater chlorine generator. Selecting a properly sized salt chlorine generator model is one of the most critical steps. The basic rule of thumb is that the chlorine generator should be sized 1.5 to 2 times the size of the pool. Also consider your climate and typical pool usage when choosing a model. For example, if you live in a hot climate and typically have high bather loads, a larger system would be a better fit for you. Once you have chosen your chlorine generator, the next steps are to install it and add the initial amount of salt to the pool. Once the system is installed and salt has been added, the generator can begin to produce chlorine. That's how simple it can be to convert your pool. After converting, you'll adjust the output of the saltwater chlorine generator to customize how much chlorine it is producing in order to meet your pool's unique needs. Converting to a salt pool system allows you to electronically generate just the right amount of chlorine for your pool, eliminating the hassle and expense of conventional chlorination. You'll have a consistently blue and clear pool that provides a luxurious swimming experience. If you are ready to upgrade to a modern salt pool system, visit our website circupool.com.